Yes, there guys and girls, as you can see, Britney Cheryl has now a shampoo. See that? Do you smell her? Smells so good. Oh my gosh. I couldn't really believe guys and girls that Britney Cheryl is now having a grand car wash. She's now having a grand bath. She's now taking a bath. See that? Take good care of him, kuya. Otherwise, I'm not gonna give you tip. You know what, guys and girls? Even though it's been a very long time since she haven't experienced a grand car wash, she still looks lovely because I really love her. I really take good care of her despite the fact that she's been in coma. Well, it's been a very long story because of some troubles that I experienced on her. That's why I decided not to drive her. So she took a very long rest, but now I will see to it that after this she will get fixed little by little on everything that she needed for her to be more alive again and to be more in good condition before we hit the road going to Los Angeles, California, in LAC. No, it's in Legazpi. Legazpi Albay as they may call, but it's not Alba. It's not Legazpi Alba, it's Legazpi City. Okay? So bye for now. So how are you, Britney Cheryl? You're doing great. Wow! Thank you also. I told you I will never let you down. Bye for now, guys and gals. Shout out to each every one of you.